Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. Tonight we are going live, but I'm not coming by myself. I got a special guest, and her name is, wait for it,
Alexis with Financial Phoenix. We are a channel dedicated to saving money, making money, and dreaming big. We are all about couponing at Dollar General and CVS, reselling books on Amazon to make that side hustle cash, and keeping our dreams alive by becoming financially healthy. So that is all about our channel. Nick and I will be live tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so join us. We will be talking about coupon misuse, glittering, and coupon fraud. So it's going to be a juicy subject. And we'll be taking all of your questions live, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
So yeah, I'm so excited for tonight for our little combined live stream with Alexis. I think it's going to be so much fun. It's going to get two viewpoints, and any of you who just want to know more about her or see what she's about or ask her any questions and all that fun stuff, come tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern. It's going to be epic.